This printed nicely. It looks like a 3D printed map, but I promise it's not a map this time. I printed this one at 100% scale from the 3D scanner, and when I put it in, it looks like it would fit, but it's just a little bit too big. So I reprinted this thing at 95% in every dimension because I assumed the 3D scanner would just be off uniformly, and it's still a bit too big. And then I reprinted it at 90% scale, and it's too small. And I finally reprinted it at 92.5% and also cut off this area because it's part of a normal gap between the frame and the molding. So that doesn't need to be filled. And the end plug looks pretty good. Now I just need to glue it in and paint it over. I printed this again in some white petchy so that it's stronger and the color matches better. This next hole is more complicated. It has a piece of iron in the way, and even though I tried to prepare for this by splitting the top portion of the plug out, it's actually so little clearance I can't even get this piece in, so I have to cut this up again. As for the outside, the 3D scanner app was more accurate this time, and 100% scale actually worked out okay. It takes a little while of jimmying it in, but eventually it fits in pretty snug. And now I just need to fill in the holes around this area, which we can do with a modifier in the slicer.